What is up, you guys? It is me, your favorite girl, Stephanie Chanel. Welcome back to my channel.
But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
So today, y'all, I just got a package. I ordered, sorry, I'm trying to open the box with my little knife here. I was on TikTok. And I don't know how I ended up on this side of Perfume Talk, but I did, and I am so excited, y'all. So there was a video. This girl was talking about some Australian perfumes that she had, and she's like, oh my gosh, they're so strong. They look so good, y'all. Oh my gosh, they're so strong, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay, whatever. Got off of that. Wasn't paying her any attention. But then I had went in that day and I did like my scent for the day, and my perfume that I chose was City of Stars by Louis Vuitton. I have a little sample. I also have a perfume oil from the Scent for You in the scent City of Stars. And I love that scent profile. It's so good. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this sample is not going to be enough. I need to find a dupe because there's no way that I'm paying $300, $400, $500 for a perfume. Y'all. So then I went back on TikTok and I started looking for dupes of City of Stars. Lo and behold, the perfume that the girl just randomly popped up on my timeline talking about the perfume house was called Bujairami. They're an Australian fragrance house that makes really amazing dupes. They don't necessarily make dupes for like the most popular fragrances. I'm noticing they do have a few, but they really focus on like, I don't know, the ones that don't get as much attention or as much love. Y'all, they are officially in the US and you can get them off of Fragrance Net. So I purchased 3 perfumes, y'all. 3 of them. Anyways, y'all, let's talk about it. So the perfume that is inspired by City of Stars from Bujairami is called Stellar. Product, oh, it says proudly Australian. I know that's right. Listen, let me find out. I need to start finding more. This is a magnetic box. Oh, tell me nothing. Look at how, oh, I don't think it's supposed to come all the way open like that. Look at this. Look at this. I bought these perfumes. I believe that they're 45 Australian dollars, but in the US, these were $23. Girl, look at the back of the bottle. It says Bujairami on the back of the bottle. Y'all, this, and it feels so good in the hands. Okay. So let's go ahead and test this out. One thing about it, I just got this, so they haven't done anything, y'all. They are still ice cold because it is really, really cold outside. These things are freezing cold, but I don't care. So let's see. Okay. Okay, atomizer. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait, no. Okay, y'all, I have the smallest little bit of City of Stars left in here. Can you see it? I'm gonna see if I can get it out. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Let me see. Girl. Ooh. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm noticing one slight difference, which is really not an issue for me, like at all. Oh my gosh, this is a pressurized sprayer. $23. Goodbye. But right off the bat, this is more citrus forward, where this one has like a soft, almost floral smoothness that turns into a beautiful citrus. This one just hits you with the citrus. This one is a little more softer, more subtle, a little more smooth. But for the huge price jump or high price gap, This being a $300 some odd fragrance. This being $23. Hold on, because then I have City of the Stars in a perfume oil from the Scent For You. I mean, after smelling the two of these, this don't even smell like it. It smells really good though. Oh, I love this. But this is amazing. I love Stellar. I am so glad that I picked this up. I was going to spray it on myself, but I already have a scent on. Oh, that smells so pretty though. So the next one that I picked up is called Special Day, and has the little sticker on the bottom. Oh, see this one, look. So this one does have the scent notes on it right here. So the scent notes for Special Day, this one is inspired by, what is it called? Kayali's, oh, what is it called? Wedding Silk Santal. So this one has sparkling champagne and freesia, blackcurrant and nectarine, jasmine, may rose, and orange blossom, vanilla, amberwood, and sandalwood. Okay, let's show the bottle. Okay, I was waiting just to see what these looked like before I ordered any more. I think I'm about to go back. They have another one that's inspired by vanilla candy rock sugar. It's not in this type of bottle, but they have vanilla candy rock sugar. They also have Bianco latte. They also have, there's another one that I said I wanted to get my hands on. Anyway, Special Day. I don't have the original anymore. I used up my bottle like nobody's business, but I do remember the scent profile. Girl. Oh, stop playing. Okay, Bujairami, Sydney, Australia. I always said I was never going to go to Australia because the bugs that they got out there. My God. Good Lord. However, y'all, this is not, like, to me, this is not a one-to-one. This is better. I am so sorry. I am so sorry to say that. Something about this I like better. On skin, it's like 1,000 times better. This paper, it's not really giving on the paper, but on skin, and look at this oil concentration. Can y'all see that? Do y'all see the oil on my hand? Oh, baby girl. Whew. Okay, last but not least, I got the big mama. Okay, she's the biggest. She ain't the little one. She's the big one. This is Sugar Rush. She's in a different box. Okay, she comes like a little book. Oh, this is the type of bottle that the other one comes in that looks like, that's supposed to smell like vanilla candy rock sugar. This one is Sugar Rush. Oh, this is nice. I like the other bottles better, I'm not gonna lie, but this is so cute. And only thing I don't like is, like, how are we supposed to know? Like, there's no name on here. So once it's out of the box, you better just know your bottles. So this one is inspired by Yum Bougie Marshmallow. There's nothing inside of this one. There's nothing, okay? This one is inspired by Yum Bougie Marshmallow by Kayali. Okay, let's see. Bottles, atomizers are different. They're not pressurized. Okay, this is pretty. This is pretty, but I feel like this one is gonna have to sit. Well, I don't know. This is just not the scent profile that I love. It is a very nice one that I would layer with though. But to me, this smells more like powdery candy sweet rather than marshmallowy. It doesn't smell one-to-one to vanilla to Yum Bougie marshmallow. This smells creamy and sweet, but it also has like that, almost like a pixie dust type of scent. It just smells like a bunch of candy. Like there's creamy candies, there's powdered candies. It's very soft, but it's very sweet. There also almost smells like there's a hint of banana. For some reason, I'm getting a little hint of banana out of this. And I don't know why. That could just be my nose. So this one, it does not smell one-to-one to Yum Bougie marshmallow, but it is a really nice take on Yum Bougie marshmallow. It's so different though. I don't actually think this has anything to do with Yum Bougie marshmallow. I have to look again because Sugar Rush, I believe that this is supposed to be Yum Bougie marshmallow, but there's almost something in this that smells more similar to, it's like buttery now. It's like buttery. This? So I know that this is supposed to be Sugar Rush, but they have another one that is supposed to be like Cirque du Soleil. The Cirque du Soleil perfume. This is giving that kind of vibe to me. It's giving sweet and fruity, like strawberry, marshmallows, pixie dust. But then as it's like drying down, the marshmallow is becoming a bit more creamy and buttery. And then I'm getting notes of like almost caramel. It's like a strawberry caramel butter scent. I don't know. This smells very different than Yum Bougie marshmallow. I mean, completely different than Yum Bougie marshmallow. Completely different. If you're looking for Yum Bougie marshmallow, I would say that this will not scratch that itch. But like first sniff, first spray, you're getting that. But as it begins to dry down, I feel like I'm getting Cirque du Soleil, which I'm not mad at because Yum Bougie is not the type of scent profile that I love. Like it's pretty for layering, but I just never thought that I would see myself, and I never did. I never ever purchased Yum Bougie marshmallow because with that scent profile, I would never spend that much money on that scent profile. And then with all the dupes, I was never like interested. But then I saw this and I was like, let's just give it a try. And I'm so glad that I did because this is so different. This is so different. I want to say this is their own creation because this is not giving, that's not Yum Bougie marshmallow. Well, this is really good though. Look at this. Oh, so y'all, it's a really short and sweet. This is a very short and sweet unboxing and like first review of these Bujairami fragrances. They are available on Fragrance Net. Y'all, when I tell you, I think I paid $100 for these three, but that was after, you know, like shipping and taxes. They were 20, actually it wasn't even 100. I think I paid like 80 something. I think I paid 80 something. I had 4 in my cart. I paid 100 something, but then they refunded me for the one that was no longer available. Y'all, I am going on my phone right now and I'm going to be ordering some more of these because they're completely affordable and they smell amazing. I love these fragrances. Definitely check out Bujairami. You will not regret it. Hopefully he adds more of his fragrances to Fragrance Net because he has a plethora, okay? He came out with so many of them. I need more. So I'm going right now to order more. Y'all will see another unboxing. I think I found a fragrance house that I am addicted to. They are so affordable and the bottles are huge. These are 3.4 fluid ounces and they're only $23. $23. I think the most expensive one was like $26. Are you kidding me? All right. I smell amazing, by the way. I smell so freaking good. Get you some Bujairami fragrances. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. I love you. Peace out.